Alright, we are going to be unboxing the First Alert carbon monoxide alarm. Protect your family and yourself from the silent killer. Battery operated, 9-volt battery included, 5-year limited warranty. The most trusted name in home safety. For over 50 years, we have been designing and engineering innovations you can rely on. The carbon monoxide alarm you're holding in your hands has undergone rigorous testing through every level of production to help protect what matters most. Alright, let's open it up and see what we get here. Alright, so
comes with a battery.
Battery. Comes with mounting screws. Comes with instructions. That's where you put the battery in. Let's try it out.
Oh, man.
It works. So that is the First Alert carbon monoxide alarm.